Very nice. Bill Nye, Tyson, Degrassee. I don't know who's funding these people. I know they're both signed to the same oaths, the same contracts, their NDAs. I know these top scientists would never discuss or even probably take in anything like this. Referring back to the light zinc or zinc light produced out from graphene mixed in with the animal human blood to create the hybrids, going back to the book of Enoch. And furthermore, I would like to bring out someone who actually talks about these types of things and really purposely bring it up for a reason. Roger Spurr over at Mudfossil University. I would really love for you to bring up Bill Nye and Tyson Degrassee talking about zinc light and graphene, how it originated from, it was a stolen light from graphene. It's just the same thing. Same light that goes off from the conception, the sperm in the embryo, they have proven go off. When the baby is born, the same thing happened. Purposely, when hybrids created with this substance, or what they call, referred to now as the black goo, but it's actually liquid graphene oxide. And produce out the hybrids. And using the different materials pulled from the scientific periodic table and the alchemical table to create these hybrids, the tree giants, the rock giants, the leprechauns, the fairies, the unicorns, the dinosaurs, so on and so forth. And thus everything being spliced on planet Earth and in the universe and the planets being spliced. A lot of people don't understand how mud fossils make sense. Well, it all makes sense when you understand how graphene and blood, and animal blood, transfused and infused, two heads go better than one, to create a foundation, because they are the foundation. The same thing when you combine butter and flour in a pan and you mix as a foundation for a sauce. You have to have land as a building block, as a foundation for the blueprints to build a house. Same thing with blood, animal blood, and graphene. We go in, create the tendons and everything else, but it's spiritual and physical. But these people, which is Bill Nye, Tyson Degrassee, and Bill Nye and Tyson Degrassee, can never discuss these types of things. Not only is it in their NDA, their contracts, but it's also, these people were also atheists. So also transpires and goes into that ramification, that field as well. But specifically, ending this message as in Roger Spurr bring up black goo or the graphene liquid oxide, and I hear you talk about the book of Enoch as well, and how the substance, the light was stolen, the zinc light, but same thing with sperm, create the eggs in the womb to produce out babies, and a woman do the same thing, but with blood and graphene to create hybrids, and a light goes off. It's the same thing happens when the baby's born. Same thing happens when hybrids are being birthed out. And are created with black magic and their own technologies. Other things as well. And their own incubators or whatever else they had to create these things, these beings.